We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We hate dry chicken breast, but it's okay. You can make them juicy with our simple no-fail method. Here's how we do it.
Let's make the dry rub first. Stir together 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a generous amount of fresh ground black pepper. I'm cooking chicken breasts today. This method is perfect for making sure they don't become dry. It also works for other cuts of chicken. Now season the chicken well with salt. Add enough salt so that you see it dusted over the chicken, and then sprinkle on some of that spice rub. Use as much or as little as you'd like, but I'm pretty generous. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a skillet that has a lid over medium-high heat. We will use the lid later. We want the chicken to brown and get a golden brown crust before we flip it. Wiggle the chicken free and then flip it. Reduce the heat to low, add a splash of water or broth, and then cover the pan with a lid. Covering and reducing the heat is our secret to making juicy chicken, especially chicken breasts. Depending on how large the chicken pieces are, they will take 10 to 20 minutes to finish cooking. An instant read thermometer is helpful for telling when the chicken is done. We are looking for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the chicken to a cutting board and let it rest for a minute, and then slice into thick strips. I like slicing the chicken because it gives me a chance to place the slices back into the pan drippings, making the chicken even more juicy. And that's it. Juicy, tender, and flavorful chicken cooked on the stovetop. If you loved this recipe, check out our grilled chicken recipe. It's just as good. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.